So a week or two ago, I finally had the tractor moved out of the way, and I was looking at my shelf over there, and I saw this thing sitting up there. And I had an uh-oh moment because I had put a lot of stuff near that wheel well, and I never considered that I needed to put that reservoir for the radiator into the wheel well, or above the wheel well, I should say. But it goes in here, and I've got one bolt I inserted from underneath already, but I don't know, my arms are long enough to be on both sides of this at the same time. Okay, got that in. So it looks like I lucked out. I didn't put anything in a spot where it would prevent me from putting that in. The question is, can I get another one started? Another bolt. Okay, I've got the bolt through the hole. That'd be the bottom bolt. There's 3 of them. Gotta try to get up here with that. I need need my hand for support to get up, and I need to hold that bolt. Okay. Now, let's see what's got one wheel in the wheel well, one on the back side of the wheel well from inside the engine compartment. Okay, got 2 of them started. I like that. I have about 3/8 of an inch room between the relays I put in for the fans and this. And it may get tighter than that once I tighten these bolts from under the wheel well. Can't see that it's too dark. Okay. Yep, I'm going to have about 1/4 of an inch between those relays I put in and this tank. So I lucked out. I guess I'd rather be lucky than good. Now my biggest problem is going to be, do I have enough room to mount my fuel filter on that fender well, because I never considered that when I was putting the trying to plan where that was going to go. Yeah, I definitely lucked out there. not a 7/16, it's probably a 3/8. It's easy to feel the bolts now that I've got them in. Pretty crowded under these C3 hoods. Can't imagine a big block. Well, I'm glad I was able to at least accomplish this after the uh-oh on the flex plate for the transmission. Okay, that's in. Just an overflow hose. It's easy to get to if I would need to replace it some other time, so I'm just reattaching the old one. I might make a longer overflow hose here. Get it to put it out down below the car instead of all over the engine or whatever, if it ever would overheat and overflow. I'm not expecting that to happen anytime soon with the new cooling system I've put in, but you never know.